Hello everyone, I am Manisha Rane and welcome to my channel, Our Orange Kitchen. Today we are going to see the recipe for Methi Dosa and Paddu. This will be one batter, two dishes recipe. Before we look at the recipe, please hit the subscribe button which is below the video. Let us take a look at the ingredients. 3 cups of rice soaked for 8 hours, 1/4 cup of methi seeds soaked for 8 hours, 1 cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup poha soaked for 5 to 10 minutes, 3/4 cup jaggery, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for golden color, salt and water as required. Let us start making the batter. In a blender jar, add the soaked methi seeds, add water and blend. Take it out in a container. Now add the soaked rice and poha in the jar. Add water and blend. Add it in the methi batter. Now add the grated coconut and blend it well. Add it in the previous batter. Now add the jaggery, salt as required, and turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Lumps. Add water if required to get the right consistency of dosa batter. Close the container and let it ferment for about 10 to 12 hours. To make dosa, in a heated pan, spread some oil. Pour the dosa batter and spread in circular motion. The dosa will be a little thick and soft. Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on medium-low flame. Flip the dosa and cook on other side for about a minute. Take out the dosa. Dosa is ready to be served with some ghee. In the remaining batter, I am going to add the dry roasted peanut with skin removed and split into halves. Mix it in the batter. Heat the non-stick paddu tawa. Add 1 drop of oil in each partition and spread. Add batter in each of the partition and make sure you get the peanuts in as well. Peanut tends to settle down in batter, so keep mixing. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low flame. Once done, flip and let the other side cook for about 2 minutes. Take it out in a plate. Enjoy hot with some ghee. This can be a great evening snack for kids. For the detailed recipe, visit my blog. Link is in the description box. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do share with family and friends. Thank you for watching.